Khoa Tran's lawyer said we may never know what happened inside Unit 218 of this Liberty Village condo complex in the early morning hours of June 6, 2023, when neighbors heard screams for help. The lawyer told the jury his client on trial for the second-degree murder of his upstairs neighbor, 53-year-old Rayeez Habib, is not guilty, calling the Crown's theory that Tran beat Habib to death speculative. 2 days after the screams were heard, Habib's body was found in a trash compactor in the underground parkade of the complex where Tran and his wife, Isabel Nguyen, and Habib all lived. Tran's lawyer said a pathologist testified he could not find a cause of death and said it could have been the result of Habib falling down the stairs. His lawyer called Tran a truthful witness who testified Habib had an issue with him over barbecue smoke. And while Tran admitted he threw out Habib's bike, Tran did nothing else. Being involved in the intentional killing of someone living directly above you makes little sense. Being involved in a plan or cleanup that involved coming in and out of a neighbor's apartment with easy view for all the other neighbors and passers-by for a couple of days is not consistent with common sense. But the Crown told the jury that Tran is guilty of murder, saying he shared his motives when he testified. There was the barbecue dispute and then the fact that he said he wanted revenge after Habib threatened to have him removed from the condo. He said he was angry and threw away Habib's bike. The Crown said Tran went up to Habib's unit with the intent to kill. He created a web of deceit to try to cover up the murder, said the Crown. He tried to make it look like Habib disappeared from the complex. The Crown said surveillance video of a masked man appeared to be Tran and says Tran used Habib's key fob 5 times to access the parkade after the beating. The Crown said Tran then enlisted his wife, Isabel Nguyen, to help dispose of the body, pointing out Tran's fingerprint was left on a note next to the body. Tran's fingerprint and the couple's DNA were also found on the duct tape around the body. Nguyen's lawyer said if Tran is acquitted, she is also innocent. She's been charged with accessory after the fact and doing an indignity to a dead body. Nguyen's lawyer says the evidence does not prove that she knew anything about the murder, nor did she play any role in disposing of Habib's body, saying it's possible her DNA was transferred onto the duct tape from other items in the garbage bin. Deliberations are expected to begin on Monday. McDonald, Global News.